What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find and view or share your Tango code. So if you're looking for your Tango code or you want to share your profile with your Tango code, or whatever reason you need your Tango code, I'm going to show you how to find this. Click your profile picture in the upper left hand side, go down to your account on the settings. From here, if you scroll down, you'll find my Tango code. If you tap on that, this is where you'll find your Tango code. So friends can scan and start to chat with you by scanning this Tango code. And you also have the code at the bottom there as well. So you can go ahead and you can either share this code, it's very easy, or you can easily click the share on the upper right hand side, this arrow button. If you tap on that, you have the option to share with multiple different accounts. You can share with Facebook, you can share with WhatsApp, you can share with your Gmail, you can share with Instagram, whatever app you have that you can use to share. Even you can even share it by a text message. So whatever option you want to share your Tango code with or your Tango profile with, you can share it with your code. Or if you just want to simply go ahead and share by code, let's say you're standing beside someone and you want to have them, you want to share your Tango profile by them taking a screenshot or they're simply scanning your QR code here. This is how you view your code. Let them take it with your camera, and this will immediately start to chat with you or add you into their Tango account as well. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.